this is Lynn from Blush and Plans, and today I'm going to do a plan with me. I'm going to be using this kit from XO.MamaPlans. This was part of her January 2020 limited edition boxes. So here is a little journaling card that came with it. It has a background. And then here are the full boxes right here. It's very, very cute. I loved it because it's planner themed. I love the colors. And this is a sticker of stickers. That is so cute. I love it. So it also came with the extras. It's the date dots, some other stickers. Oh, I didn't even notice these. And here are some scallop labels. More of the this actually matches this. So that's some extra full box and the glitter headers. And here are the limited edition kit page 1 with the half boxes, appointment labels. Oops, what is that? Oh no, I thought that was hair. That's just the drawing. And that is quarter boxes with scallop, and I guess this is washi. And the to-dos this week, the what's this, flag banners, the checklist. And this is limited edition kit page 2 with the deco, and I don't know what these are called, and more hat boxes, and banner, the bowl banners, and movie night and the day off. And here is the day cover with the headers, as you can see right here. I'm just going to go through this really quickly. And here is the weekly tracker, the icons, habit tracker, more, is there? I guess there's more checklists. There's a lot of checklists, hard checklists on this thing. Half boxes, quarter boxes. Here is the bottom washi with more boxes and more boxes here. There's a lot of boxes, and this is washi. And this is a small stuff and washi. So these are all washi. And here's the small stuff. And this is washi also. You can see right there. And here is the last page, which is the ombre checklist. And I decided to go ahead and use Muji 0.38 pen. And let's go ahead and start. That is from May 11th to the 17th, which is like a while ago. It's like about 2 months ago. But when I memory planned this, I was already behind. So I filmed it, and I went took forever to edit it, and I kind of forgot about it on my phone. So when I found it, I was like, is it too late to use this? But I decided to go ahead and do the voiceover today, and maybe hopefully I'll get around to uploading it. So the first thing I do is I put down the bottom washi and cut them to size, and then I placed a purple glitter header on top of the sidebar, but I decided to change it out later, and I put down this full box with the planner on it because I thought it was the cutest, and it was definitely my favorite. With the purple glitter header to Monday, and then I went ahead and placed the blue glitter header along with another blue glitter header underneath the full box, and I put down this quarter box that is going to be marking this week. And then I placed down the stickers, but I think I actually moved them around. I didn't show it on the video. I stopped recording at that moment, but I placed a dinners header above the weekly tracker, and then 2 habit trackers, and then the 2 washi tapes on the bottom. So starting off on Monday, I made myself a cold chai tea, and I marked that with a half box and a little sticker from Sweet Salt Sticker Co. I went and got lunch for my kids, and I used a sticker from Ohana Story. After that, I took this bow sticker from the kit to separate the days, and I added the full box with the little cup and pen, which I think is adorable. So in the afternoon, I did a memory planning session, and I marked it with a planner from the kit. So later on that day, I went and I bought snacks at the gas station, and look at the sticker from Paper Kumako. It's a Twinkie box. It doesn't say Twinkies, but it says cuties, but it looks exactly like the box, and I think it's adorable. I didn't want to use it. It was on my sticker sheet. I kind of hoarded it. For the next day, I started off by putting a to-do header from the kit, And to mark that I did a grocery one, I used a sticker on sweet tea plants. I haven't done this in a while, but I made strawberry shortcake for my family, and I wish I made it earlier because it was so good. I want to make more, but I don't know, sometimes strawberries are kind of sour. Anyways, to mark that, I put down a hat box, and then I put this sticker from, I think it's from Happy Daya. I'm not really sure. It doesn't look like her style, but I'm pretty sure it's Happy Daya. Don't quote me on that. To make sure I had room for my full box, I went ahead and placed it at the bottom, and it was this really cute full box of a planner card. And then later on, I did one of my favorite things to do, and that is to organize my stickers. So to mark that, I used a sticker from Create with Pen. After I was done organizing my stickers, I had like a long conversation with my daughter Destiny. So to mark that, I used a sticker that looks kind of like her from Pumpkin Paper Co. Moving on to the next day, on the top of Wednesday, I put this full box with the sticker of stickers, and it is so cute. I really love that one. Oh my god, I already said that. Earlier in the day, I had memory plans, so I used this planner from the kit, and then I used the script plan that is from Planner Rest. Underneath that, I put the today header, and then I put this sticker of a border collie, which marks my dog's walk. But my dog is actually a border collie German Shepherd, so I don't really have any stickers that look exactly like him. But this border collie is probably the closest. So I use the Shine Sticker Studio Girl doing dishes, and she matches how I feel about dishes because it's like my least favorite chore. So after that, I did another grocery one. So to mark it, I used this half box from the kit and a sticker from Sweet South Sticker Co. So for dinner that night, I made chicken broccoli, and the sticker I used is from Hazel Sticker. Very next day, it was hot. So to mark that, I used this It's Too Hot sticker from Little Red Prince. I then added a little bow header from the kit, and also from the kit I added this full box of planners. Later on that night I made sloppy joes for dinner, so to mark that I used this little chef rabbit from Planner Bunny Press. So this week was the week that my daughter was taking all her AP exams, and that particular day she took her physics exams. So to mark that, I used this sticker from Fox and Cactus on top of a hot box. So later on that night, I wanted to relax, and so I decided to organize my playlist. And to mark that, I used this dancing brisket from Planner Bunny Press. So for the next day, I placed a today header, and I also had to message my son's teacher. And to mark that, I just used a sticker from the kit, which I ended up replacing later. So for dinner that night, my family and I decided to do something different. We decided to order from Applebee's, which we haven't done in like a long time. So we kind of forgot what the food was like. So to mark that, I used this half box from the kit and a Mochi Kichi sticker. Underneath that box, I whited out the pink line, and I decided to put down a rice card from the Stickery Co. And that was just to mark that I had organized my crafting office area. I took this half box from the kit and I placed it down underneath the card, and then I went ahead and placed the full box. So I didn't like how everything was looking, so I went ahead and took off the half box, and then I took off the rascal card to put down some full boxes so I could cover up the whiteouts, and then I replaced everything, and then I wrote down that I organized my crafting office area like I said before, and then I ordered my daughter's yearbook. A small sliver of space left, but I didn't know what to put in there, so I went ahead and put this little bow header from the kit. So for Saturday and Sunday, I used this weekend banner from the kit, and it says Weekend Vibes, and it is so pretty. I really love how it was designed. So for Saturday, the first thing I did was put down this full box, and then I put down this little clothesline. I think that's from the kit, and that was the mark that I folded laundry, and underneath that I put down this little square from the kit, and it's just the mark that I did some Skillshare that day. So after that I put down this really cute hat box with a bunch of hearts on the border, and then I used this sticker from Sweet Ava's paper, and that was just the mark that I planned in my Stalogy. So for dinner that night, I made one of my daughter's favorite dinners, and that is chicken bitterman, which is a Filipino recipe. And to mark it, I used this sticker from Elena Makes. For the next day, I did a little back planning in my print pressing weeks, and to mark that, I used this hat box from the kit and this sticker from Sweet Tea Plans. I almost forgot there. Underneath that, I put a full box of a bunch of washi's, and that is so cute. Then I flat ironed my hair, and I used a sticker, another sticker from Sweet Tea Plans. Underneath that, I placed down a hat box, and I was gonna mark that I did a grocery one with a sticker from Sweet Salt Sticker Co. But then I went ahead and traded it with the other sticker from the kit, and I moved it to here instead. So for the end of the day, I went to CVS and I marked it with this little shop sticker from the kit. Went back to my sidebar and I filled out my dinners and my habit tracker for the week. So I'm going to show you my final spread at the end of the video, but for now I want to show you how much stickers were left after I used them. I had quite a bit left, so I used them for a print pressure week spread. And that is it for my video. I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll get back to you. And I hope you have a nice day. Aloha!